Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to build a website wireframe in Miro. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and go to Miro.com. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Miro dashboard, which serves as your creative workspace. From your dashboard, locate the board you want to use. If you already have existing boards, you'll see them listed there. Once the board is open, you'll see a toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen. Simply go and click on plus icon. This is where you'll find all the tools and options for your project. Scroll down and click on Templates to access Miro's built-in template library. Next, in the template search bar, type Website Wireframe. Miro will display a collection of pre-designed wireframe templates that vary in structure and style. Once you find the one that matches your vision, click Use Template. This action will automatically place the selected wireframe template onto your board, where you can start customizing it. Now comes the fun part. Miro allows you to zoom in or out using the zoom tool, which helps you inspect specific details or view your design as a whole. Adjust various sections, move blocks, resize elements, or even add new components like text boxes, buttons, and shapes to refine your layout. You can also play around with colors, typography, and alignment to bring your design idea closer to life. And that's it. So that is how you can build a website wireframe in Miro. So that's all for this video. Thanks.